Inventors, entrepreneurs, and business owners in Memphis, Tennessee. Hi, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. I'm here to talk to you about this great city here in Memphis and my personal favorite top 5 resources for you, the inventor, entrepreneur, or business owner looking to make a splash, a dent in the universe. It can feel pretty lonely. I work with lots of clients over the years and earning almost 500 patents for them over the years that I've been in business. Our patent attorneys work one-on-one with each inventor to analyze patentability, trademark, as well as intellectual property rights, covering copyrights and trade secrets. We work with inventors here in Memphis and those that are approaching investors, those that want to make and start a company. And so these 5 resources are the best 5 that I've been able to find in working here in this city. So the top 5, without further ado. The first one is, drum roll, StartCo. StartCo is a venture development organization, offers an accelerator program that's tailored to different sectors, such as B2B, educational technology, and women-led startups. StartCo, as you can imagine, is where the place is to be. If you want to start something, check out StartCo. They do have these programs that you can apply for, depending on your technology, niche, or industry, or specific area of interest. They will help you with mentorship, guidance, giving advice for those technical founder that you might be, where you don't necessarily have the background in marketing or sales or legal, right? What things you should be worried about, what questions you should be asking. So check out StartCo. They're instrumental for a lot of brand new startups. 2 companies that just launched out of there, Savor and Sip. That's a culinary tech startup. They're enhancing the food delivery experience for a lot of companies. And a company called Graph Story. Check them out. They provide graph database solutions for complex data relationships. Okay, resource number 2 is called 0 to 510. 0 to 510. It's a nationally recognized accelerator program that focuses on medical device startups. Now, an accelerator is where you have a company or maybe even just a technical founder that is in the industry where there's a high growth potential. And investors and companies might want to put a lot of investment into the technology. You can apply for these programs for one at 0 to 510, and what they'll do is they'll provide everything you'll need to grow rapidly, especially in medical device world where you need testing, data, right, clinical data to show the FDA to get that certification you might need before you go to market. 2 big startups that came out of 0 to 510, one called Sweet Bio, developing advanced wound care products for using medical grade honey, pretty amazing. And Surgerythm, which sounds like algorithm, but it creates software to enhance surgical outcomes for patient engagement. Okay, number 3 is called Epicenter Memphis. Epicenter serves as a hub for Memphis entrepreneur startups. And this is a classic place. When I was in Seattle, there was a place called the Startup Hub. This is the epicenter where it's very different, of course, the geographic area, but it's where you have a place to come co-work, see other inventors, see other business owners, collaborate with them, network, learn what they are doing, or learn lessons learned about what they did and didn't work. So check out Epicenter Memphis. It drives a lot of inclusive economic growth right here in Memphis. So 2 big startups that came out of there recently is Cowlar, which is an Agtech company producing smart collars for cows to monitor health and productivity. The next one is called SkyCision. Utilizes drone technology to precision agriculture to drop or monitor crops as they develop. Okay, number 4 is Emerge Memphis. This was founded in 1999, so over 25 years ago. They're a business incubator that supports technology-based startups through office-based mentoring and networking opportunities. It's a pivotal role in the growth of numerous companies in the region. So Emerge is definitely something to check out. It's this co-working space where, again, you've got that great opportunity to not only get mentorship, guidance, but also that business owner to business owner, building a relationship with other business owners to learn from what they're doing, even outside your industry, can be quite valuable. Okay, number 5 is called Ag Launch. As you can tell, probably by the name of it, it's agriculture technology. So if you have a tech-related product that's going to help the agriculture industry, this is where you go. With farmers, industry experts, and investors that are in this field can help you specifically get launched, produce your product, deliver your service, whatever it is, and get the best solution. So check out Ag Launch if you've got an agriculture-specific invention. Now, I should say, before you go and talk with any of these 5 publicly, share your invention with those, you need to make sure you speak with a patent attorney. And our attorneys here at Bold Patents are happy to help you explore patentability, get that protection, either through patent pending or keeping it as a trade secret before you launch your product, before you share carefully with those that might become investors or business partners down the road. So without further ado, I'll let you get off to these resources, check them out, and get hold of us for a free discovery call if you have any questions. I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. Go big, go bold.